Are you in the market for a new home or looking to refinance your current mortgage? Buckle up, because the mortgage rates roller coaster is on the rise. Mortgage rates flirt with the 7% mark again, so what can you do to save your hard-earned money? Hey everyone, Tia at Trailstone here, and we've had a lot of people asking us lately how to help reduce their overall mortgage payment. And here at Trailstone, we do have some solutions to help. I'll get to that after this breaking news on the mortgages, so stay tuned to learn how to save. Okay, so here's the latest. The 30-year fixed rate mortgage averaged 6.94% as of February 29th, 2024, which is an increase from last week's figure. And that's according to Freddie Mac's primary mortgage market survey that was released on Thursday. Quote, mortgage rates continued their ascent this week, reaching a 2-month high and flirting with the 7% mark yet again, Freddie Mac chief economist Sam Cater said in a statement. Well, Cater continues by saying the recent boomerang in rates has dampened already tentative homebuyer momentum as we approach the spring, which is a historically busy season for home buying. While sales of newly built homes are trending in a positive direction, higher rates and elevated prices continue to pose affordability challenges that may leave potential homebuyers on the sidelines. And that's not all. The recent release of the Core Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, or known as the PCE, has put inflation in the spotlight. Check this out. In January, the PCE rose at the fastest pace in nearly a year. The PCE is considered to be the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure for monetary policy decisions. And what does that mean for you? Well, probably higher interest rates are on the way. And how can you reduce your mortgage payment if you're buying a new home or refinancing? Well, first, let's start with the basics. Your monthly mortgage payment typically has 4 parts. First is the loan principal. Second is the loan interest. Third is your property taxes. And fourth is your home insurance. Unfortunately, the first 3 points are things that we can't really control, but we can absolutely help with lowering your insurance and help reduce your overall mortgage payment. With Trailstone Insurance Group on your side, we'll be your trusted partner to navigate the complex world of insurance. Shopping for insurance on your own is hard. We understand how overwhelming and frustrating it can be, but with Trailstone's expertise and access to 40 top-rated insurance companies, you'll receive the best rates and coverages possible. Why pay more when you can save with Trailstone doing the shopping for you? There's no cost for our service, and you can get started with a simple phone call or fast quote on our website. So the big takeaway, Trailstone will help you reduce your home insurance, and in turn, you'll save money on your mortgage payments. So whether you're a first-time home buyer or looking to refinance, let Trailstone Insurance Group be your trusted advisor in navigating the ever-changing landscape of mortgage rates. Talk soon.